Hen Dog and the Mob, 100% solid. He did more than draw. He's known more around our neighborhood for more than this than drawing for a record label, a major record label. Oh yeah, Hen Dog, man. That's my homeboy, my big homie. Day one homie. All love. He brought something to the table that made it, worldwide, recognized all over the world for what he did. But we know him for something more serious. He had a good heart. He was loyal, dedicated, and a straight rider.
And you said he was from?
He's from the mob, straight M.o.B.
Chicago?
Came from Chicago. Came from Chicago at an early age, got hooked up with the homies, started living with the homies. I've never met Hen Dog parents. As far as I know, he lived with the homies for most of the time when he came to California.
You know how old he was when he came to Cali?
When he came to Cali, he was a teenager, probably between 12 and 16. Yeah, between 12 and 16.
Was he always doing art?
I never knew he was really. I never knew he was into art like that. I never knew because I think around the breakdancing era, he was probably in jail most of the time. But we didn't get to see his art and his graffiti. But we started seeing the tattoos that he was doing on homeboys. From the pen, from the pen and on the streets. Mostly from the pen. He's doing tattoos. He's good, like bro. So that's why I know him for that. It was always more in the streets where I knew Hen Dog from, because that's where that's where his heart was at. It was with the homies, what's going on in the street, and we're not gonna lose no battle.
Was Hen Dog pretty much under Timmy?
Yeah. He was under Timmy. Yeah. He was under Timmy.
Okay. Shout out to Timmy.
Yeah, shout out Big Homie. He was under Timmy.
And it was pretty much Hen Dog that went with the insane mob gang. Did he pretty much?
Yeah, they pretty much enforced that more than anybody around there. IMG.
Mm-hmm.
He was very artistic with the way he approached things. I guess that's from him being an artist. He's seen things that a lot of dudes didn't see.
I bet he had some nice hit-ups on the wall and everything.
Yeah, no, when he write on the wall, when Hen Dog write on the wall, it was classic because it's gonna look good. It's not a rush job. It's gonna look good.
Yeah.
Everybody else go through there rushing and getting things done fast, but his is gonna look better.
Yeah. We gotta hurry up. The cops coming.
Yeah. But like I'm gonna tell you, okay, we have certain spots where we can go and just write all you want all night.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying, like, you get the spray paint. We have certain spots in Compton, you just go right all night. You ain't got to worry about the police or nothing. Like,
Was any of the other homies pretty good at writing, doing art? Who else was good at hitting up on the walls?
7 O's.
Okay.
7 O's. Capone and them. Raylo, Boxer, all of them.
And Capone, Black Capone?
Yeah.
And for y'all that don't know, Black Capone, he's a brother.
7 O's.
Hell yeah.
Straight authentic.
They think they're all racist, but no, they got some brothers in there.
So.
Anyway, yeah.
I think, between what Hen Dog was doing and what the 7 O's was doing, That created something. That created something original. He brought his Chicago style of art to Compton. Did what he did with it, exposed to the Latino touch. Because blacks and Latinos connected. Mm-hmm. We put a touch on each other's stuff, on each other's things that we was doing. And HEN DOG made something good, man. That drawing, that deathrow drawing, that's classic.
Oh, no doubt. No doubt.
I can tell you right now, as artistic as HEN DOG was, that wasn't none of his best art. That was none of his best art. I seen stuff he did, but he would tear it up. He'd draw it, tear it up, throw it away. It ain't nothing. It's just a piece of work.
Didn't Suge have a art show for him, art gallery show for him one time?
Did. I'm not sure of that. He probably did.
Yeah.
I don't know why not. Because despite his street connections, he was an artist. I mean, like, maybe if people would have promoted more of that for him, his life would have went in a different direction.
Exactly.
But he was a gangster before he was an artist. I'm gonna tell you that. Like every time something went down, HEN DOG was around. I'm still talking right now, so obviously that's telling you, you know what I mean.
Yeah,
when we still with each other. Big homeboy, love it. Now, it's another dude I want to talk about from the mob. A lot of people don't know him because he died early. Like, I mean, homies from the hood know him, whatever. Anybody who's real active. It's my homie Top Dog. Top Dog died in, I want to say 1985. No, it was 1986. 85 or 86. '86. No, it was 87 actually. I was on the 7th to the 8th at Whitey. Top Dog was my homeboy. He was probably like a year or two older than me. Bro was out here on the run. He ran from a camp or juvenile hall facility. He was with it, bro. Like, really with the business. Bro get killed. He got killed on Pooh's birthday. Karate Rob little brother, Pooh. Georgie and Bruceman and them nephew. Okay, he got killed on his birthday by some wild hoods. Hurtful thing. We lost a young rider, but what it did is introduce me to the way this life goes. Like, that's when I started claiming the mob, when they killed Top Dog.
Okay. That's when you started riding,
yeah.
right? Fuck. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I still had a lot to learn. I didn't know everything, and there was people, I had to learn things from at the same time, And we all young. We going through the shit. We doing the shit, at an early age. We looking at dudes who just got the shit off the porch. Just like They the first generation, second, third generation. I don't know wherever you can put me in the second or third generation. I'm not finna be too pro about wherever you want to put me at. But I think when you generalize the position of your generation, I think other people got to do that for you.
Mm-hmm.
Because I kicked it with first, second, third. You know, I really didn't kick with nobody up under me. It was like the older generation dudes. You know, the older cats I learned from. Hen Dog came up under the umbrella of Buntry, Georgie, CJ, Nate. He was like one of the youngest dudes, teaming with these older dudes and bringing it back to us. What he did was he brought a lesson. He went and learned a lesson, and then he taught it. Straight G right there. Straight power right there. Straight killer, straight gangster.
Hell yeah.
Hen Dog, rest in peace, man.